Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing in with your school Google account. This ensures class invites and campus events arrive correctly. Once signed in, create a dedicated semester calendar and color code each course to reduce visual clutter. Make sure to enable notifications and sync to your phone so deadlines and room changes reach you immediately. These first steps organize everything into one reliable view, and they set up automated alerts so you don't have to keep checking manually throughout the day. Next, add repeating class events and include exact locations and preferred reminders. This avoids last-minute map searches. Once done, block recurring study sessions and lab hours as events so you protect focus time, and add commute buffers to prevent overlap. Import important syllabus dates or copy them in, then set at least 2 reminders for exams and major assignments. These detailed middle steps convert your calendar into a proactive planner that prevents double booking and keeps your semester on track. To finish, share project calendars and grant collaborators appropriate permissions so meetings and deliverables stay aligned. This cuts down on message threads. Use tasks and goals for one-off to-dos and soft weekly goals, and review the agenda every Sunday to adjust. If something stops syncing or events disappear, force refresh your Google account, confirm calendar permissions, and if needed, remove and re-add the calendar. That single troubleshooting move usually restores changes and keeps your schedule reliable for the whole semester.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.